Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load its core DLL. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you can see the main way to repair the Acrobat reader is to first press the Windows logo and then go to your settings, and then from here go to the apps and then app features as you can see right here, and then make sure that you click on the repair section that is going to be on it. Now, if that doesn't work, then the second way is to scan your system for malware or rootkit. Of course, you can do that by going to your update, and then from here on your settings, you can just go to Windows Security. And then in Windows Security, you can do just a quick scan right here. So if you had any issues such as this one, then you can just simply either click turn on, or you can do a quick scan by just going to virus threat protection and then do a quick scan right here. Now, from here, you can then disable protector mode, and this is the most effective one. You can launch the Adobe Acrobat, and then from here go to the left menu, then Security, then Enhanced. Then from here, under Sandbox Protection, enable protected mode at startup checkbox, and then in the dialog that appears, click Yes, and then click OK. Now, this will reduce the security on your computer in general, but this will allow for the core DLL to load much easier. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.